In this video, I will show you how to make a file unwritable. I'll open the terminal in the place where you want to create a file. Type this command sudo nano. Nano is a text editor. I'm going to create a text file named test.txt. Hit enter the password. Now enter the content of the text file. I will enter this is a text file. To save it, press Ctrl X and press Y and hit enter. Now file is saved. Now if you write the same command again, you can edit the file to make the file unwritable again. I'll show you. You can edit this file. Since this is a next line. Okay, press Ctrl X, Y to save. I edited just now to make it uneditable, like unwritable. Type this command sudo chatter chattr space plus I. Now enter the file name you want to make unwritable, test.txt. If the file is in other folder, you can do it like folder path etc slash resolve, like something, the file name where it will make it. Since the file is in the same folder, I will directly enter the file name .txt. Hit enter. Now the file is unwritable. We'll just try to edit that file with this command. You can see that the file test.txt is unwritable. You can't edit this file. Even if you edit, press Ctrl X and Y, it will say like error in writing file, operation is not permitted. Now if you want to make the file writable again, use this command sudo chatter space make -I. Now enter the name of the file, test file test.txt. You hit enter the password. Now the file is writable again. Use this command to edit the text. Now see, there is no error saying that the file is unwritable. You can add a third line. Ctrl X Y. You can view it. That's all for this video.